Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wrote a C++ program that print this triangle pattern program using if else statement? If yes, please let me know in the comment section. But if no, let us learn how you can write a C++ program to print this triangle pattern program using for loop with if control statement, right? So let us start. Just also we are going to use for loop. We have to make a declaration of row which is equal to 1. Here our I must be less than or equal to 5. Then also I will be increment like this. Then after this we have also to open another loop. Now we are going to deal with J, right? Let us here also write loop for loop int J which is equal to 1. Here it has also J less than or equal to 5 and J increment. But here we are going to set a condition by using if statement. Here if our J greater or equal to, here let us put here I, because when we see here I or row is greater or equal to column, that's why here I must be greater or equal to J. And in this case we display a star now, right? Shout star here, and we can put space here like this. But if this condition is false, nothing will print. Else this condition is false, we just print empty like this. And then also after this finished, now our for loop is now end. We are going just to print end line here to mean when row 1 ended we are inserting a new row, right? Shout here end line like this. So this is another simple and effective way to write a C++ program that print this triangle pattern program. Yeah, once we make compilation our program here to check whether there is some errors or not. You see there is no error. Now let us run it to check an output. Yeah, you see an output is like this one. As you see here, this is the same as what we ran before. So this is an alternative way of writing a C++ program that print a triangle pattern program using this condition if statement, right? So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please don't hesitate yourself, let me know in the comment section so that you can brainstorm about our amazing lesson. So see you in next one.